I think every team right now is a little bit nervous. Every team has to win today. No one guaranteed their place in semifinal yesterday, so I think all teams were a little bit nervous, but you just can't be so nervous that you can't do your job. So I was really excited and ready to play today with our team.
I'm really happy. We came until here, so we don't stop. I invite all of you to come and watch the games. I'm sure it will be fun, and please cheer for us.
「ここでホッとするのはやっぱ違うと思うので、次のファイナル、セミファイナルに向けてしっかりもう一回練習していきたいと思います。
やっぱりここまで来たら、ファイナルにしっかりつなげたかったので、できることを精一杯頑張ろうと思ってやりました。